Hi, my name is Joseph Barrow, and I will be teaching a ninth grade algebra lesson on how to use the method of the foiling method to multiply binomials to create trinomials. So, today's learning objective will be students will be able to use the FOIL method of multiplying binomials in order to create trinomials. The materials I'll be using will be a PowerPoint, which I have printed out here, several worksheets and homeworks, pencils and paper, obviously, and the smartboard. So initially, I would give the students a motivational exercise to do, or do now, as I would put on the board. Several examples of the distributive property, which we previously went over in class. I'll give them about 5 minutes at most to discuss, write down their notebooks, and then once I understand that they um, have a firm grasp on the concept, I will delve into the concept of the FOIL method. And I will pull up the PowerPoint presentation, which I will initially show them the FOIL method here. Put it like that. And as you can see, it's in color so that it's easier for them to navigate and understand exactly how to manipulate it and use it. Um, I would give each and every student a copy of this so that they have right next to them as we go through the lesson, so that it's easily accessible to them and easy for them to understand. Um, I'll go through some different examples, such as once I finish, of course, explaining to them the concept and everything. I'll give you some examples that we will do together in class. Possibly call up a student or two to independently do one on the board as we all discuss, any possible errors or anything that happened. And then once I see that most of the students have a firm grasp on the concept, we will go into some small groups, which I will choose which students go into which groups to make sure that each group is efficient and there's a mixture of boys and girls, some more higher achieving students, lower achieving students, and then I'll give them a in-class worksheet where they'll work on just a couple simple, not too difficult problems using the FOIL method. I'll circulate the room as they work through the worksheet. If I see any issues that arise, I'll be sure to tend to them, help them, you know, one-on-one, possibly one-on-one, working with the students so that they understand the concept. And then I give them about a couple more minutes with that, and then we'll pick out some problems from the worksheet or any ones that I see that students are having particular issues with. Work with them on the smartboard, and then once I see everyone has a firm grasp on the concept, I will provide them with an exit slip that they must complete before they leave class to hand in to me. Um, exit slip is just a way of assessing that they understand the material. If they do not, I will see through their work, and we can delve into it more the next day in class to make sure that they all have an understanding of it. And then for a homework assignment, give them same thing, just a couple simple problems, nothing too in depth. And then I also provide them a writing section where, as well as showing work, they're going to write out the work that they did so that um, they understand exactly, so that I understand that they know what they're doing in words and also in their work that they show. Um, and that's it. Thank you.